Hello, it is Tina Clark, computer teacher. Today is June 15th, 2020. And this will be the third part, I believe, of the summer weather and safety topic that we started. And in the very last video, I talked about tornadoes. And in the previous videos, we talked about staying safe in the hot sun and then thunderstorms. And then we also talked about the difference between watches versus warning. Make sure to watch the other two videos first before you watch this one, because in this one, there are questions. And the questions will go over some of the things that you've seen in the other videos. So make sure to watch them. And I'll just do a little review. Sometimes in the summer we can get tornadoes. A tornado is shaped like a funnel and it is very dangerous. It can destroy homes, it can destroy buildings. And then I also had you watch a video about what is a tornado. There'll be some questions from the video, so make sure that you watch that. I also, in the last video that I made, shared with you this link of tornado damage during the September 10th tornado that hit Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Overnight, that night, or maybe it was the night before, overnight there were 3 tornadoes that hit Sioux Falls, and there was lots of damage. And in this particular video, it shows the damage that was done. There were buildings that were damaged, the roofs taken off, there were trees that were down. And you can watch that and see what happened during that tornado event. So today we're going to go on and talk about something else you need to do to stay safe in the summer. So in the summertime, of course, there are lots of bugs. Mosquitoes, and I have a picture of a mosquito right there. Mosquitoes are bugs that can really bug you in the summer. They like warm, humid weather. They also like to hide in tall grass or weeds. Mosquitoes like to come out at dawn when the sun is first coming up, but then they also come out in the evening as it gets towards sunset. And when the mosquitoes come out, they like to bite you. You should wear some sort of bug spray to protect yourself from mosquitoes and other bugs. If you get a mosquito bite, it will feel itchy and there'll be a little red spot, but try not to scratch it. The more you scratch a bug bite, the worse it will feel and the more swollen up it will be. But hopefully if you wear some bug spray, and I have a picture of some bug spray here, hopefully if you wear some bug spray, that will help you to keep away from being bitten by bugs. Okay, here we are with the questions. So I hope that you have watched part 1 and part 2 of this summer safety and weather video series, and that you also watched the video links that I have assigned in the previous videos that I've made. Here's the first question. Thunderstorms sometimes produce ice that falls from the sky. This is called what? Is it called hail or is it called snowflakes? Which one is it that thunderstorms produce in the summer? Hail on the left or snowflakes on the right? So I hope you have your answer. Pause the video if you don't. Here comes the answer. Hail. Thunderstorms sometimes produce hail that falls from the sky. And in the picture, the hail's not too big. It's like the size of a marble or a pea, but hail can be very big sometimes. And no matter the size of the hail, you really should be inside and not outside when it's hailing, because you could get hurt. Next question. Which one below means that severe weather is happening now? It is occurring now, and you should seek shelter now. Is that considered a watch, or is that considered a warning? Which one is it when the severe weather is happening now? It's coming. There's no doubt about it. It is happening. Which one is it? A watch or a warning? Here comes the answer. It is a warning. So that means it's more serious than a watch. Yeah, and if you are at Lifescape School on 26th Street, If there's a warning, we would be going downstairs in the hallway outside the pool. And I talked about that in the last video, that when we have a severe weather warning, that you are to remain calm and just follow the instructions of your staff, and that you have to stay downstairs in that hallway until the all-call says all clear. Next question. A tornado is shaped like a square, or is it shaped like a funnel? Which one is it? You can point to your answer or say your answer. A tornado, it's another storm. Is it shaped like a square or a funnel? It's in the sky. Which one is it? Here comes the answer. It is shaped like a funnel. A funnel cloud is a tornado. A tornado can also be called a twister because the funnel cloud rotates around and around. A tornado can destroy buildings and homes, have high winds, damage cars. Is there just one answer here? Or are two of the three answers correct? Or are all three answers correct? I'm going to let you think about it. A tornado can destroy buildings and homes, have high winds, damage cars. Pause the video if you need to. Here comes the answer. A tornado can destroy buildings and homes, a tornado can have high winds, and a tornado can damage cars. So the answer is all three answers. Next question. During severe summer weather, you should go outside and look at the severe summer weather. Should you go outside and look at the tornado? Should you go outside and look at the thunderstorm? Or should you seek shelter away from doors and windows? That means you could go to the basement of your home. That means you could go outside the hallway or outside the pool in the hallway at Lifescape School. In this picture, this is a storm shelter at somebody's home that they just kind of had dug out in the ground, and it has a door on it. And it will look different probably where you're at. Again, could be your basement, could be the hallway. Which one should you do? Should you go outside and look at the summer weather, or should you seek shelter? I hope you have your answer. You should seek shelter inside, away from doors and windows. And you have to stay away from doors and windows because if the window breaks, the glass would fly and hurt and cut you. In this picture on the left, this is a storm chaser guy. And storm chasers do go outside and look at severe summer weather. But that's what they do for their job or their hobby. That's their choice, and they put themselves in danger. And you should not be putting yourself in danger. Next question. What can you put on to help prevent sunburn? So now we're not talking about a storm. We're talking about sunny summer weather. When the sun is out and it's really, really warm or really hot, what can you put on? Do you put on sunscreen on the left, or do you put on hand sanitizer? To help prevent sunburn, to help prevent your skin from burning, are you going to use sunscreen or hand sanitizer? Which one? I hope you have your answer. You would put on sunscreen, of course. It could be a spray or a lotion, and you would make sure to put that on before you go out in the sun, and that would help you to not get a sunburn. All right. And that's it for summer weather and safety. That's all I have right now for this topic. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.